Okay, so here we are. Just taking delivery of my new DJI Mini 5 Pro. So I'm going to unbox it. I know you've probably seen loads of videos already, but I just thought I'd take this opportunity. So I don't often do it with me drone. So we're going to start by let's having a look at this. Well packaged. Now, there's a lot of comparisons done already with the Mini 4 Pro, and this is a significant upgrade to that Mini 4 Pro. Let's find out how we get into this box. Ship straightforward. Okay. So just scan the QR code usual. So we've got the we've got the bag. I'll just discard the box, put that to one side. It's a different sort of bag, it's a lot squarer bag. I think I prefer the flatter one, but I suppose it packs a nice little pattern on the side. You see that nice little design for a change, a little bit of a pattern going on. Now, oh look at this. Yeah. Wow, that lovely new fresh smell. Right, okay, we've got the RC2 controller. That one. Of course, this is the 04 Plus transmission on these RC2s, but you've probably seen all this before. I'm starting to get a bit of a collection now, really, of these ones. But this will work with the RC2 Pro as well, this drone. So we've got the that controller. What have we got in here? Yeah, we've got the propellers and we've got extra propellers. And we've got the cable, so we've got all the... And these are now the twist and snap on. So there's no more little screwdriver to be fumbling about to try and find to replace your propellers. And we've got the USB-C cable, all standard stuff. And also what we get now, we get a set of ND filters like we get with the Air 3S. So take a look at these. My fingers are pretty big, pretty fat fingers. Here we go. So you can see a nice set of ND filters there. And these are clip-on. They're not the push and the twist. These are just they just click straight on to the lens. So you've got ND8s, 32 and 128, set of 3 there. Okay. Yeah. Nice little touch. So we've got those as well. We've got the usual instructions and badges and stuff that you'll never use or look at. Put that in there. What else we've got? Oh yes, we've got this the charging dock. Now this charging dock actually charges them all simultaneously, and it's a bit quicker charging. I think it's about 105 minutes to charge all 3 batteries, and they're in a darker grey. But the batteries on the Mini 4 Pro will fit this drone, so there's no worries on that score. You can use those batteries on the. I've got the Pro Plus, so I've got the extra battery life on this. It quotes at 51 minutes or 52 minutes battery life, but you can probably say you'll probably get about 40 out of that. I did on the Air 3S. And last but not least, very nice compartments, a lot tidier. Seems a lot more sturdy inside. Got storage pocket there for your cables and your. Just show you, just compare that bag, and that's the Mini 4 Pro bag, which you're probably all familiar with. You see, this is a bit more squarer, a bit more compact. So you see the difference. You've got a lot squarer bag, and this just seems to be a lot more flatter and a bit more squashed in. I will give a comparison actually with the drone sizes. So I'll just pop out the Mini 4. So that's a Mini 4 Pro, but I've got low noise propellers on there, so a different colour. It helps repel the birds as well. Okay, so last but not least, we've got the drone itself. Just put the bag down there. I always save all the bag, I save all the boxes. Darker, it's darker, yeah. And we've got this propeller. Now, the lens cover on this one, it has a propeller guard all connected. So it just pops out of the back. You see that? Pops out the back there. And boom, off it pops. That's great, all in one. That's great, because yeah, we used to have on the 4 we had the plastic cover. If you remember that one, it was like just a rubber that used to go around the propellers. The all in one by far is the better way to go. And with this one, what's drifted down from the Mavic 4, you open the arms. It switches on automatically. You can turn that on and off in the settings. So you can either, when you open the arms, it'll turn on automatically, or you can switch it off and just start it as normal with the button, the 2 presses on the button. 4K 60 frames per second. 4K 120 slow motion as well. They've got the 1-inch sensor. And something else that's dripped down from the Mavic 4 Pro is the rotation of the gimbal. It's now 225 degrees rotation, so you get some great shots with that one. Active track 360, and I've seen videos on this where they've done testing on the tracking, and it's absolutely fantastic. And I'm looking forward to trying the tracking out as well, and also this one now as well. It comes with 42 gigabytes of internal storage, so if you forget your memory card, which I've done myself a couple of times, you've got 42 gigabytes to be playing with, so that helps a lot. The flight speed, yeah, I think it's 19 meters per second, and it's wind resistant. I think it's 12 meters a second, the wind, which is great resistance for this. I mean, the Mini 4 was good anyway, but this is great. Show a little bit of a comparison. You can see it's in a darker grey, which I like. I like the darker grey. So we can see them there side by side. So I'll pick them up so you can see side by side. And as I say, this battery, if I take this one out of there, the battery will go, and there you go. So you can see different colour battery, but it fits. So that's great. So if you've got spare batteries from your Mini 4 Pro, well, there you go. You can carry more batteries with you. So you can see that. So you see that battery fits okay. So I'll take that one back out, pop that one back in there, get it the right way around. So that's the Mini 4 Pro unboxing. Now I've got the lower noise propellers on this one, and these are quite a little bit longer than the standard ones. If you can see, I don't know if you can see there. The blue ones are slightly a little bit longer, as you can see. A little bit longer on there. I've switched that off, I think, haven't I? So there you go, that's the Pro Plus unpacking. Give it some test flights and see what everything works like. As I say, I've seen the videos online of what it can do, and I'm pretty impressed with it. Especially with the 1-inch CMOS sensor. That's hell of a difference, is that one. And the optical avoidance, the omnidirectional system is supposed to be absolutely fantastic, and I've seen it and it looks amazing. And having the LiDAR as well for your low light, better in low light as well. We're having the 1-inch sensor, so your low light when you're going for your sunsets early evening, you're going to get a lot better footage. As I say, I'm going to try all these out, and I'll probably post a couple of videos. This is not something I do a lot of, but every once in a while when I pick up a new drone, I just like to unbox it and just share it. But I'm so looking forward to this new. It's been highly anticipated. I mean, I was first in the store this morning, so I was on the dot to get this morning on the first day of release. So it's not had a flight yet. I'll probably wait till tomorrow when we get a good day, and I'm going to give this a try, get some tracking shots, see what it's like. See if it's all it's cracked up to be. And the 225-degree rotation as well add another dimension to your videography and the effects you can make. So I look forward to trying it. So that's my unboxing of the Mini 5 Pro. So you've got a bit of an idea, but there's loads of tutorials out there now already, but I wanted to do this for myself and just put it on there for you people to have a look at. As I say, I've still got my Mini 4 Pro, which is an excellent drone. It's an excellent drone in itself. I'll probably keep this one. It's hard to let go, really. Okay, I'll get this put away now, and thanks for watching. And if you're interested, I'd suggest getting the upgrade. It's well worth the upgrade by the looks of it, well worth it. If you like any of my other videos, which I do, I travel around a little bit. If you like any of the other videos, please subscribe. It don't cost anything, just a press of a button. Be much appreciated, and press the like button. And any comments, be appreciated. Get your views on it if you've already got the Mini 5. Let me know your thoughts on it, your comparisons, and it'll be interesting to read. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.